are you doing? My name is Sam, and today or yesterday was the day, or was the anniversary of 1 year doing language related videos. I wanted to say thank you for all of those who have been following my process, commenting on my videos, subscribing and so on. There's a lot more to come, and I also expect you to go on with commenting and sending me. Oh, I just lost the word. Suggestions, yeah, of course. Suggestions for new videos, very important. And well, what else? Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon. Bye.